What we have here is a Hunter Studio Series, 42-inch Studio Series. It's just a bit unusual. You don't see very many of these. Elongated switch housing. Here's your tag. This one dates to 1986. Despite its 42-inch size, it actually has a it's a normal size 52-inch motor in the housing. With the end bell that's been modified to accommodate the smaller blade irons. Normally when you see a Studio Series from the 80s, you'll see the Passport 2 looking, or yeah, the Passport looking one with the more Summer Breeze like housing and the filigree sideband, but this one is more akin to the later actual Studio Series. You know, the ones from the 90s. But yeah, 42-inch, you don't see very many. Normal ball socket canopy. It's antique white, which is kind of a grayish white. So let's see how it performs with the big 52-inch motor driving a 42-inch span. Another thing to mention about this fan is it hums pretty loudly. It's not a very quiet Hunter, which is unusual. This is low speed. Nice and powerful. Let's go to medium. Medium is more akin to high for most other 42-inch fans. It's already moving a good amount of air. Now, let's go to high. On high, this thing flies. I can tell you right now that this fan is easily more powerful than a 42-inch original. It hauls ass. It's incredibly effective. Motor is rated for 0.85 amps, which is the same as all the 52-inch spinner motors, or most of them anyway. And there you have it, a 42-inch Hunter Studio Series.